Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are fine and happy. Students, today we are learning primary mathematics of grade 4 with second edition. So let's start our lesson number 3 of unit number 1 and topic is number patterns. Student, before starting our lesson, we have to know about what is pattern. Patterns are repeated decorative design, decorate with a recurring design, give a regular or intelligible form to. A repeated decorative design, decorate with a recurring design, give a regular or intelligible form to. There are different types of pattern: color patterns, shape patterns, size patterns, number patterns. There are different types of pattern: color patterns, shape patterns, size patterns, number patterns. Students, we see many patterns around us. Some of patterns are color pattern, shape pattern, size pattern, number pattern. In color pattern, first color is red, blue, red, blue. Red and blue are repeated after interval. And now shape pattern: circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square, circle, triangle, square. Students, you can see here the shape pattern like this. And now size pattern: big square, small square, big square, small square, big square, small square, big square. And this is size pattern. And now last is number pattern. Students, we are using number pattern in this chapter. So what is number pattern? Number pattern. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. There is generally a common relationship between all the numbers in the pattern. So the number pattern is the way your number change. Number pattern is a pattern or sequence in a series of numbers. There is generally a common relationship between all the numbers in the pattern. So the number pattern is the way your number change. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 is the example of number pattern. And now students, we have to guess the pattern. Yes, a number pattern. Now observe the values: 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Students, here is missing number in this pattern. For this blank, we have to observe these numbers. So we have to guess the relationship between them, that how are they increasing. If you keenly observe this pattern, you will come to know that these numbers go up by 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. And 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So the missing number is 10. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we find the missing number, that is 10. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2 equals to 6. And 6 plus 2 equals to 8. And 8 plus 2 equals to 10. So we find the missing number 10. And now students, come to the lesson number patterns. And here is recap. What are the missing numbers in the number pattern? Student, you can see here two sets. In first set 4,350, 4,450, and two are missing numbers: 4,750, 4,850, 4,950, and last the missing number. So student, we have to fill this plan. 4,350, 4,450. Student, you can see here ones, 10, 100, 1000. 4 and 4 at 1000 place are same. 5 and 0 are same at ones and tens. And there is a change in 100 place. Here is the digit 3 at 100 place, and here the digit 4 at 100 place. 3, 4. As the change occur at 100 place, so we have to change at 100 place to find the missing numbers. 4,350, 4,450. So there is a change of 100. So the numbers go up by 100. So we have to add 100 to each number to get the next number. If we add 100 to 4,450, our next number will be 4,550. And we add 100 to this number, we get 4,650. And next is 4,750. We add 100 to this digit, and next 100 plus 100, and in the last we add 100 to 4,950. We add 100 to 4,950, and our missing number will be 5,050. So we find out the missing numbers: 4,550, 4,650, and last 5,050. And now come to the set B. 9,460, 8,460 missing number. 6,460, 5,460, 4,460 missing number and missing number. Student, you can see here ones, tens, 100, 1000. We have to compare these digits at each place value. Ones has 0 and this one has also 0. 6 at tens and 6 at tens. 4 at 100 place and here 4 at 100 place. But the digit change at 1000 place. Here is the digit 9 and here is the digit 8. So there is a change at 1000 place, and the numbers go down by 1000. Minus 1000 minus 1000 gives 7,460. We have to change at 1000 place as the number decreases or go down by 1000. So we have to decrease 1000 to each number. And next, minus 1000, minus 1000, minus 1000. And if we subtract 1000 to this number 4,460, our missing number will be 3,460. And now we have to subtract 1000 to 3,460, and our missing number will be 2,460. So we find out all missing numbers in these two sets. In focus, question number 1. What number is 1000 more than 97,000? More means plus or add. So student, we have to add 1000 to 97,000. We have to change the place value at 1000 place. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So student, we have to add this 1000 to 97,000, and now this 7 changed to 8, and now our number will be 98,000 because we add 1000 to this number. And now question number 2, what number is 100 less than 53,600? Less means minus or subtract. And now student, we have to subtract 100 to this number 53,600. As the change occur at 100 place, ones, 10, 100. So we decrease 100 or subtract 100 to 53,600, and now 600 will be 500 and our resultant number will be 53,500 because we subtract 100 to this number. Question number 3, what number is 10 more than 16,330? More means plus. Now student, we have to add 10 to this number 16,330, and our change will occur at 10's place, and 30 will become as 40 and our whole number will be 16,340. So we have solved these 3 questions. Let's learn question number 1. What number is 1000 more than 97,000? Now we have to add 1000 to this number 97,000. We have to write here place values at each digit like ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. So that's why student, we have to make here these circles to make it more easy, like 9 at the place value 10,000. 9 has the place value 10,000. So student, we have to make here 9 blue circles, and each blue circle represents 10,000. 10,000, 20,000, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90,000. So that's why we make here 9 blue circles, and each blue circle shows 10,000. And come to next digit 7. 7 at the place value 1000. 7 has the place value 1000. So we have to make here 7 green circles, and each green circle shows 1000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As the question is 1000 more, so we have to add 1 more green circle to this green circle, and now the green circles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and now there are 8 circles, and 1000 more than 97,000 is 98,000 because we add 1 more green circle to these circles. Students, you can see here a number line. Yes, 90,000, 91,000, and here is a red arrow which shows we have to add plus 1000 to get the missing number. So we have to add this 1000 to this one, and now we have 92,000, and next 93,000, 94,000, 95,000, 96,000, 97,000, and now red arrow shows we have to add this 1000 to 97,000, and a change will occur at 1000 place, and now 97,000 will become as 98,000 because we add 1000 to this number. And next 99,000, if we add 1000 to this number, now we have 100,000. So students, we have found all these missing numbers easily by using number line. So come to question number 2. What number is 100 less than 53,600? Less means minus or subtract. Now students, we have to subtract 100 to this number 53,600. Student, we make here circles, and each blue circle shows 10,000, each green circle shows 1000, and each purple color shows 100. We have to write here place value at each digit, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Student, here the digit 5 at 10,000 place, so that's why we make here 5 blue circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means these are 50,000. And now come to next place value 3. The digit 3. 1, 2, 3. And each green circle shows 1000, 1000, 2000, 3000. And these are 3000s. And now come to 100 place, and now there is digit 6 at 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But the question is 100 less. It means we have to remove one purple circle to show that we subtract 100 to this 100 place. And now 100 less than 53,600 is 53,500. And remaining purple circles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means we have now the number 53,500. Student, there is a number line and we have to find the missing numbers at this number line. 53,000, 53,100, blank, 53,300, 53,400, blank, 53,600, 53,700, blank, and 53,900, and last 54,000. But student, we have to subtract 100 to each number. So that's why we have to start from left side of this number line. We are starting from right side of this number line, not left side. So that's why 54,000 minus 100 means 53,900. If we subtract 100 to this number 53,900, then we get the value 53,800 because we subtract 100 to this number. And now 53,700, 53,600. Now we have to subtract 100 to this number 53,600, and now our number will be 53,500. And next 53,400, 53,300. If we subtract 100 to this number, our resultant number will be 53,200 because we subtract 100 to this number to get the missing number. And next number is 53,100 and last 53,000. Student, we start from right side of this number line to subtract the 100 from previous number to get the missing number. So our missing number are 53,800, 53,500 and 53,200. Now question number 3. What number is 10 more than 16,330? More means plus or add. So student, we have to add 10 to this number 16,330. We have to write here place value at each digit: ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Student, we have to make here circles and each circle shows the place value of the digit, like 1 at the 10,000 place, 6 at the 1,000 place, 3 at 100, 3 at 10's place, and 0 at 1's place. You can see here the digit 1 at 10,000 place. So that's why we make only one blue circle which shows 10,000. And next move to 1,000 place. There is the digit 6 which shows the 1,000. So we make here 6 green circles and each green circle shows 1,000. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now move to 100 place. You can see here the digit 3 at 100 place. So we make here 3 purple circles, 1, 2, 3. And now move to 10's place. There is a digit 3 at 10's place. So we make here 3 circles and each yellow circle shows 10's. 1, 2, 3. These are 30. Student, as the question is 10 more, so we have to add one more circle to this 10's place. Now 10 more than 16,330 is 16,314 because we add 10 to these 10's and now our Tens has 40. Students, you can see here a number line and we have to find out the missing numbers at these letters A, B, C. Look at these numbers which are given in this number line: 16,300, 16,310 blank, 16,330, 16,340, 16,350, 16,360 blank blank, 16,390, 16,400. And now student, we see here a red arrow, and this red arrow shows we are adding 10. We are adding 10 to previous digit to get the missing number. So we add 10 to this number, 16,310. Now A has the value 16,320, and next 16,330, 16,340, 16,350, 16,360. And now if we add 10 to this number, and now 60 will become as 70, and our resultant number will be 16,370. And if we add 10 more to this number, 16,370, now the C has the value 16,380, and next is 16,390, and add 10, our last number will be 16,400. So A has the value 16,320, B has the value 16,370, and now last C has the value 16,380. So we find out the all missing numbers at letters A, B, C. A has 16,320, B has 16,370, and C has 16,380. And now come to question number 4. Use place values to help you find the answer. A. 10 more than 98,800 is dash. More means plus. So we have to add 10 to this number. Ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. As student, we have to add 10 to its tens place. And now 800 will become as 810. And now our resultant number will be 98,810 because we add 10 to its tens place. B. 100 more than 43,550. 100 more means plus. Now student, we have to add 100 to this number, 43,550. Ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Ones, 10, 100. We have to add 100 to its 100 place, 550. So we have to add 100 to 500. Now 500 will become as 600, and our resultant number will be 43,650 because we add 100 to its 100 place. And now move to C part. 100 less than 34,829 is dash. 1,000 less mean minus. Now we have to subtract 1,000 to this number, 34,829. Ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. As we have to subtract 1,000 to its 1,000 place, 4. 4 minus 1, 3. Now our resultant number will be 33,829. Now come at D part. Dash is 10 more than 89,089. More means plus. Now we have to add 10 to this number, 89. Ones, 10. So student, we have to add 10 to this tens place. Now 8 will become as 9 and 9 as it is. So 89 plus 10 equals to 99, and our resultant number will be 89,099. And now come to its E part. Dash is 100 more than 16,510. More means plus. Now we have to add 100 to this number, 16,510. 100 more than. So ones, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. So we have to add 100 to its 100 place. And now 5 will become as 6. So our resultant number will be 16,610. Now come to its F bar. Dash is 1000 less than 7,211. Less means minus. Now we have to subtract 1000 to its 1000 place. For this purpose we write here 7,211 and subtract 1000 to this number. 1 minus 0, 1, 1 minus 0, 1, 2 minus 0, 2, 7, we take carry from 7 and 6 will become, 7 will become as 6 and now 10. 10 minus 1, 9 and here is 6. So if we subtract 1000 to 7,211, our resultant number is 69,211. 69,211. And now student come to G part. Dash more than 35,980 is 36,080. Now student, we have to find out which number is more than 35,980 and their resultant is 36,080. Which number we are adding to 35,980 to get 36,080? For this purpose we have to subtract these two values. We subtract 35,980 from 36,080. 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus. Now student, we subtract this smaller value from greater value and we get 100. 0 minus 0, 0, 8 minus 8, 0 and 10 minus 9, 1. So it means 100 more than 35,980 is 36,080. Now H part. 19,140 is dash less than 20,140. How many numbers are less in 19,140 to 20,140? So we have to subtract the smaller value from greater value and we get 1000. 0 minus 0, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 1 minus 1, 0 and 10 minus 9 equals to 1. So there is 1000 less than 20,140. I part. Dash less than 57,206 is 57,196. We have to subtract these numbers to get this blank. So we subtract the smaller number 57,196 from 57,206. 6 minus 6, 0 and now 10 minus 9 equals to 1. So it means 10 less than 57,206 is 57,196. If we subtract 10 to this number, we get 57,196. And now J part. 68,050 is dash more than 67,950. How many numbers more 68,050 from 67,950? To fill this blank, we have to subtract the smaller value from greater value. 67,950 minus 68,050. So we subtract the smaller value from greater value. 0 minus 0, 0, 5 minus 5, 0, 10 minus 9 equals to 1. So it means 68,050 is 100 more than 67,950. And now move to question number 5. Complete the number patterns. Explain how you get your answers. A part. 25,395, 25,405, 25,415 dash, 25,435 dash. Student, if we keenly observe these numbers and we come to know that there is difference at tens, it means the numbers go up by 10. So if we add 10 to 95, this will become as 25,405. If we add 10 to this number 405, we get 25,415. Here we adding 10 to each number to get next number. So if we add 10 to 25,415, then we get 25,425, and next 25,435 if we add plus 10, and next if we add 10, then we will get 25,445. Now B part, 53,641, 53,541 dash dash 53,241. Student, if we keenly observe these numbers, we come to know that 53,000 are same in all, but there is a change at 100. It means the numbers go down by 100. So we subtract 100 to each number to get next number. So if we subtract 100 to 541, we will get 53,441. Now if we subtract 100 to this number, we will get 53,341, and last number is 53,241. And now C part, 30,678, 29,678 dash 27,678 dash. Student, if we keenly observe these numbers, we come to the point that 678 are same in all numbers. So there is a change at 1000 place. As the 1000 are subtracting to this number, we will get next number. So the numbers go down by 1000. So minus 1000, minus 1000. If we subtract 1000 to this number, we will get 28,678. And if we will subtract 1000 to this number, we will get 27,678. And if we again subtract to this number, we will get 26,678. And now student, it's activity time. We have to perform this activity. Work in pairs. In the first step, think of a 5-digit number. Show the numbers with place values. And now step 2, show the following with the number you have formed. A 1 more than, B 10 more than, C 100 more than, and D 1000 more than. Write your answers on the board. Number 3 step, get your partner to check your answers. And number 4 step, switch roles and repeat 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Show the following with the numbers you have formed. A 1 less than, B 10 less than, C 100 less than, and D 1000 less than. Now student, I performing this activity on board. And now activity time. Let's a 5-digit number is 50,000. 50,000, ones, 10, 100,000, 10,000. So it's 50,000. A 1 more than, 1 more than. It means we have to add 1 to this value, 50,000. So a change will occur at 1's place. 50,001, 50,001. B 10 more than 50,000. 10 more than 50,000. It means we have to add 10 to 50,000. So a change occur at 10's place, 10. Now 50,000 will become as 50,010. Now C 100 more than 50,000. It means we have to add 100 to this value 50,000, and now a change will occur at 100 place. Now it will become as 50,100. 50,100. And now D part, 1000 more than 50,000. 1000 more than 50,000. It means we have to add 1000 to its 1000 place. And now 50,000 will become as 51,000. 51,000. And now we have to repeat this activity. Activity time. Let's a 5-digit number is 50,000. 50,000. Ones, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000. And now we have to subtract these given digits from 50,000. In a part, 1 less than 50,000. 1 less than 50,000. It means we have to subtract 1 from 50,000. And now 50,000 will become as 49,999. 49,999. And now B, 10 less than 50,000. We have to subtract 10 from 50,000. And now 50,000 will become as 49,990. 49,990. And now C part, 100 less than 50,000. 100 less than 50,000. It means we have to subtract 100 from 50,000. And now 50,000 will become as 49,900. 49,900. And now D part, 1,000 less than 50,000. 1,000 less than 50,000. And now we have to subtract 1,000 from 50,000. And now 50,000 will become as 49,000. So we perform this activity on board and we are using these cards to show the answers of following questions. And now you have to perform this activity at home with your friends and brothers and sisters. Find the missing numbers. A. 10 more than 39,876 is dash. More means plus. So student, we have to add 10 to this number. And 76 will become as 86. If we add 10 to 76, because 1's 10. 10 add means we have to add 10 to its tens place. 76 will become as 86. And now our missing number will be 39,886. B. 100 less than 47,553 is dash. Less means minus. Now student, we have to subtract 100 to this number. 47,553. Ones, 10, 100. Ones, 10, 100. Now we subtract 100 to this number. 500 minus 100 equals to 400. Now our resultant number is 47,453. Now at C part, 1,000 more than 93,880 is dash. More means plus. Now we have to add 1,000 to this number. So student, our ones, 10, 100, 1,000. 3 at the 1,000 place. Now we have to add 1,000 more to this 3. Now this 3 will become as 4. And our resultant number is 94,880. D part. Dash is 10 less than 24,528. And here less means minus or subtract. We have to subtract 10 to this number. 24,528. Once 10, 28. Now we have to subtract 10 to 28, like 8 minus 0, 8. 2 minus 1, 1. 5 as it is 4 and 2. 24,518. If we subtract 10 to 24,528, our resultant will be 24,518. Now come at E part. Dash is 100 more than 56,230. More means plus. Now we have to add 100 to its 100 place. 2 is at 100 place. Now we have to add 100 to its 200. Now this 2 will become as 3. And our resultant number will be 56,330. Now F part. Dash is 1,000 less than 81,022. 1,000 less means we have to subtract 1,000 through 81,022. Ones, 10, 100, 1,000. Now student, we have to subtract 1000 to its, like 81,022 minus 1000, and resultant will be 80,000. We remove 1 from its 1000 place. Now 81,000 will become as 80,022 because we subtract 1000 to this one. G part. Dash less than 10,298 is 10,288. Student, if we keenly observe these numbers, we know that and come to the point that 98 and 88, there is a difference of 10. So 10 less than 10,298 is 10,288. And now H part, 10 more than 19,990 is dash. So student, we have to add, more means plus, so that's why we have to add 10 to this number. So we add 10 to its 90 place. If we add 10 to this number, we get 20,000. 19,990 plus 10 equals to 20,000. And now come to I part. 100 less than 70,334 is dash. It means we have to subtract 100 to this number. And now this 300 will become as 200 because we subtract 100 to this number. Now 70,234. Now J part. Dash is 1000 more than 89,563. Once 10, 100,000. There is a digit 9 at 1000 place, and we have to add 1000 more to 89,000. If we add 1000 to 89,000, now 89 will become as 90,563. Now come to K part. 60,700 is dash more than 59,700. If we observe these two numbers, there is a change at 1000 place. It means 60,700 is 1000 more than 59,700. L part. Dash more than 68,995 is 69,005. If we subtract these two numbers, we will get the missing number, and here more means plus. We have to find which number is more than 68,995 to get 69,005. After subtracting these two numbers, we get 10. It means 10 more than 68,995. If we add 10 to this number, we will get 69,005. M part. 96,966 is dash less than 97,066. After subtracting these two numbers, we find 100. It means 96,966 is 100 less than 97,066 because we subtract these two numbers to find the missing number. And now question number 2, complete the number patterns. A part. 17,500, 18,500, 19,500 dash 21,500. Student, if we keenly observe this number, we come to know that the numbers go up by 1000. Once 10, 100,000 as the change occur at 1000 place. So we add 1000 to each number to get the missing number. 1000, 1000, 1000 and 1000. 17,500, 18,500, 19,500 and now 20,500. If we add 1000 to this number, we get 21,500. Now B part. 49,678, 49,578 dash 49,378, 49,278. Student, if we observe this number, we come to know that the numbers are coming down by 100 because once 10, 100, once 10, 100. 49s are same in all, and there is a change at 100 place. 6, 5. It means the numbers are decreasing by 100. So we subtract 100 to each number to get the next number. So 49,578, if we subtract minus to this one, we will get 49,478. And now C part, 32,883, 32,893, dash dash 32,923. So and if we keenly observe this number, we come to know that 32 are same, 8 and here is blank and there is 9. So it means there is a change at tens place. So there is a difference at tens place and the numbers are increasing by 10, plus 10, plus 10, plus 10. If we add 10 to this number, 32,883, the resultant will be 32,893. And next, if we add 10 to this number, we will get 32,903. And now if we add 10 to this number, we will get 32,913. And last, if we add 10 to this number, we will get 32,923. Student, I hope you have understood this lesson and you will do practice on your rough registers and see your homework at portal and weekly solution. And student, you have to practice this lesson number 3 on your rough books, and I hope you have understood this lesson and like my lecture. And okay, thank you and Allah Hafiz.